Hey guys, I have the brand new iPhone 17 Pro series. This is the Pro Max in Cosmic Orange. I never thought I was an orange kind of girl, like literally ever. Honestly, it used to be my least favorite color, but now it's growing on me. I'm really loving it. Look at how beautiful this is. We have a whole new redesigned look to this new iPhone. We have this outline for our MagSafe charger, so it's kind of like a dual orange finish. We also get an 8x zoom at 200 millimeters. So this bad boy is gonna take some fantastic zoom shots, and I'm definitely gonna be testing that out for you guys. Now, this silver iPhone 17 Pro Max honestly looks like my MacBook Air, and I'm pretty obsessed with it. Like, putting them side by side really looks like completes my Apple ecosystem. Beautiful color. I like this more than the deep blue, but the Cosmic Orange is on top. I have the brand new lavender iPhone 17. I'm actually eyeing the green one, if I'm gonna be quite honest with you guys. I think it's called Sage Green, but I mean, this is a classic, little bit purple, not too much. We have 120 hertz now and ceramic shield too. Sage green is a vibe. Like, imagine this with your fall outfits. Matches my outfit right now. This is my favorite color of the iPhone 17 lineup. The Pro lineup, I'm loving the orange. You guys know that Cosmic Orange is pretty lit. Here we go with the Sage Green. Now, we also have a 48 megapixel dual fusion cameras, but both of them are 48 megapixels. Let's go, Apple. Thank you. I say this every year. If you want a basic color, but it's not white and it's not black, it has a little bit more spice, I say go for the blue. I mean, you cannot go wrong. It's always looking good year after year. Clean, crisp, gorgeous. Who's a blue user? Let me know. Cloud white, because it's giving cloudy vibes. It matches my shirt and top right now, and all of Steve Jobs' theater. It's cute, but a little too basic for me. I'm a colorful girly. Now, the star of the show is the iPhone Air. We have been waiting for this for years. It's always been in speculation, but it is finally here. And you know what? It feels like a feather. It feels like air. It is thin, and I can't believe how sleek and beautiful this design really is. I love the grooves. Like, once you guys get your hands on this, you're gonna see how incredibly light, thin, and beautiful this device is. We have a dual fusion 48 megapixel camera, so we're getting a great camera, a pro performance in a small compact device. This is the thinnest and lightest Apple iPhone we have ever seen, and I'm so happy to have my hands on it. It is super thin and light. My camera is even having a hard time focusing on it. I'm excited for this era of iPhones with a little bit more pizzazz, more fun, especially now with the new accessories. Apple is definitely changing in a way that I'm excited about because I love all things aesthetic.